Created by the same magic that blended breakfast and lunch to make brunch, Scrumban is a hybrid of Scrum and Kanban. Scrumban teams merge elements of Scrum with the flow management of Kanban.
Many Agile teams today practice Scrumban because they like the structure of Scrum events and the flow and efficiency of managing workflows with Kanban. They may also like brunch.
Avocado toast.
Typically, Scrumban teams use Scrum events that support their goals, such as sprint planning and retrospectives, while using Kanban boards or other visualization tools to manage their workflows and prioritize tasks in real time.
The first benefit of Scrumban is that it's a great stepping stone for teams to begin practicing continuous improvement by encouraging teams to regularly assess and adapt their practices. It's also an especially versatile and flexible framework because it allows teams to combine the parts of Scrum and Kanban that work for them into a personalized set of practices.
Here's another one for the benefits column. Scrumban helps teams identify bottlenecks and see where people may become overburdened with tasks. And finally, Scrumban helps reduce lead time so teams can deliver work more predictably.
A potential downside to Scrumban is that burn up and burn down charts, tools commonly used in Scrum, aren't always applicable because Scrumban doesn't use timeboxed sprints.
Yes, and without set sprint timelines, it can be more difficult to predict precisely how long an initiative may take due to the lack of start and end dates. And the final downside, Scrumban's flexibility may also make it more challenging for teams to avoid multitasking if work in process limits aren't enforced. The key takeaway? Scrumban is for teams who need flexibility and want a personalized approach in their Agile methods.